Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be going through question 40 of 50 of the most common child-based disability questions. Here we go. Question 40. Are any of the child's impairments from birth, or put another way, are they congenital? Meaning, were they born with it? It could be a cleft lip, could be a genetic thing, could be something where there was a birth defect, it could be of the mind, it could be mental, it could be physical, any one of those. When these are the case, it's really important to try and go back as far as you can to get as far back as you can for medical evidence, because you can usually get some of the best medical evidence when they're at their youngest, because a lot of parents, that's when they have the most insurance or the most opportunity for care, or they're willing to take the child and do more care options with the child. So that's usually you want to try and approach and get as much evidence going as far back as possible to show continuous treatment of the child's impairment. Also, you have to show with these types of claims the timeline. A normal child's progression would be this. Your child's progression is this. Why did that happen? How did this impairment limit them from birth doing this as opposed to what they're actually doing being this? Explain the differences. It's so important to explain to the judge why your child had difficulty, wasn't able to fully succeed in all the different courses that they had because of this impairment. Another thing to think about that's important too is if the child had an early onset impairment, very young impairment. It's good to talk about why they weren't in age-appropriate classes, when they started to get away from the age-appropriate class that they were supposed to be in, the grade rather. Going into details about, they struggle in this class and this class as a result of that impairment. And it started all the way back with this. Being able to talk about how the child has felt difficulties, maybe a physical impairment that's showing to other children of the age group, how the child could not connect with other children because at such a young age they felt separated from that. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.